Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you guys how to see Snapchat stories without them knowing. So what I mean without them knowing is the person that posted the story won't know that you saw the story. So there are a couple ways you can do it, but this is the best method that I've found to be able to do it. And you can also screenshot and screen record the story and also save it to your gallery without them knowing as well with this method. So this works for like everything, so I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But first things first, you're going to want to head over to the Snapchat app. And once you're on the Snapchat app, as you can see, I'm on my new account, Bobby Fisher. As you can see, I have my story. It has 0 views. It's just a please like and subscribe for cookie. But it has 0 views and everything. So I'm going to switch over to my main account real quick. And I'm going to view this story and show you guys show you guys that it does work. So let me head over to my settings and log out real quick. And log into my main account to Basateco. And then once I log back in, as you can see, if I go over to my stories in the stories location, there is the story by Bobby Fisher. And that is the same story that we were just looking at. But to do this trick, what you want to do, you want to swipe down in the bottom right or the top right corner of your screen and turn on airplane mode. Once you do that, you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is also turned off. Now, once you have done that, you can go over and look in the story. But make sure that the story is loaded before you actually check it out with your airplane mode on. As you can see, it loaded and I can do whatever I want. I can take screenshots, I'm screen recording it. You can do the whole shebang. But once you are done screenshotting it and doing whatever, you can head out. And what you have to do, if you're on Android, you have to go clear the data in Snapchat. But if you're on iOS, you actually have to remove the app from your device. So delete Snapchat from your app or from your phone. And then you can just go back to the App Store and re-download it. So once you have re-downloaded it, once you have deleted it, you can just turn back your data and your Wi-Fi, and then search for Snapchat and re-download it. So you can do that by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and just searching for it and downloading it. And then once it's re-downloaded, you can go ahead and log back into your account. So let me do that real quick. Just click on the Snapchat and click login and put in your use email and your password. And once it loads for a bit, it'll bring to the home page here. And once you are on the home page, you'll actually be able to head over to your stories or your chats, and you'll see that the story still hasn't been opened, and it doesn't say anything about you watching it or screenshotting it or anything. So that is how you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.